Greetings everyone, now I'll show you the best downloading program, so without further delay, let's get started. Let's go to the download page, I'll leave its link in the description. After download is completed, let's move to the installation process. Choose where you want to install the program files. After the installation is completed, let's take a look at the settings. Now let me show you how to use the program. You can also convert any video to audio. FDM supports torrent extension. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Have a good day.